Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, August 13th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had really two crappy days, the last 2 days, and so it was really nice to have a day like today that turned out to be really good, very positive. And I hope that signals a change in our equity trend for a while at least. That would be nice. Interestingly enough, this change took place on a day the Dow was down. I've seen that pattern before when we get Dow, going very strong and we end up getting crushed in our equity and then it working the opposite um, when our equity gains when the Dow is down. Hard to say what causes that, but anyway, it happened today. You can see here from the chart the Dow opened lower this morning, stayed down, came back a little, but it was negative all day and officially closed down 80 points. Certainly not a sell-off, but it is a negative number. And on this negative number, we had 5 stocks coming into today, and we closed those out with positive almost $11,000. And that $11,000 closed out profit is just about exactly what we had in open trade yesterday on the close. So we neither gained nor lost what we're holding in open trade by exiting all 5 of those positions today. We got in to 8 new positions. 6 were positive, 2 were negative, and the really good news is that we are carrying over $16,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. So we got $11,000 plus over $16,000. That's like over $17,000 total. That's a good day. Gotta say that's a good day. I'll show you 3 of our good stocks. This first one, this turned out to be an almost perfect trade, and my system is not perfect, but we trade a lot, and once in a while we get a setup that just looks absolutely perfect. This is SNCR, which says Synchronos Technologies. Synchronos Technologies, and we had bought this yesterday in the first hour, and it closed profitably. And then this morning it opened a little lower and then just shot up here for our exit. And actually got out of this. This wasn't a price exit; it was a timed exit. So you gotta say maybe we're just a little bit lucky, huh? Anyway, we got out at the high tick of the day on this. Absolutely perfect trade. And we took $9,400 out of Synchronos Technologies. Fantastic trade. Then this one wasn't as much money, but this is one of those we got into. That was one of those 6 good positions we got into today. And this is FUV, which is Arcimoto Incorporated. Not sure just what they do. But anyway, we bought this Arcimoto first hour, and it just kept going there. Pretty close there, pretty near the high. And we're carrying $2,500 in Arcimoto. And then the last one I want to show you, which actually I gotta straighten this out. Okay, this is SHLL, and that is Tortoise Acquisition Corporation. And I wasn't sure what kind of name is that. It sounds like a pet store company. No, Tortoise Acquisition Corporation is a corporation that doesn't actually run businesses, but they acquire businesses, and the businesses that they are trying to acquire are businesses associated with electric trucks. Electric trucks. So that's the business they're in, but they're just acquiring the businesses. They're not actually running the businesses. At least that's how it was explained to me. Anyway, SHLL, Tortoise Acquisition Corporation. We bought this first hour, and it just shot up to the sky, closing almost on its high there. And we are holding $10,300 in open trade equity in Tortoise Acquisition Corporation. So that's how it went. Great Thursday. Tomorrow's Freaky Friday. We'll just hold our breath and see what happens. See you tomorrow.